Do you ever get a little bit tired of life, like you're not really happy but you don't?
Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're starting our HTML journey by learning the basics of HTML. If you have ever wondered how a web page actually gets its structure, HTML is where it starts. So let's jump right in. What is HTML? First, what exactly is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Its job is to represent the content and the structure of a web page. Think about a web page like a house. HTML is the structure of the house, the rooms, the doors, windows, and everything that organizes the content. CSS will later make it look good, and JavaScript will make it interactive. But for now, we're focusing on the structure. HTML elements. The basic building blocks of HTML are called elements. For example, let's create a paragraph. In the body, I'm going to create a paragraph. P and enter, and voila. The opening and closing tags are already here. So I'm just going to type, let's say, hello world. This is like the word that every programmer used it in the first time. You can install Live Server in the theme section. If you want me to do stuff related to VS Code, comment down. So here is our hello world.
That's kind of interesting.
So here, P is the opening tag. Hello world is the content. And this P, which has / before P, it is the closing tag. Together, these make a paragraph element. Now, let's see void elements. But here's something interesting. Not every HTML element has a closing tag. Some elements are called void elements. For example, let's see the image. We're just going to type image. You can type image and hit enter and see what happens. So there's no closing tag. Image, source, all stuffs. So this image is called void elements. And other, let's see meta. Meta here that you can see in head section doesn't have a closing tag. So it's also called void elements. These elements can't contain content, so they only have a starting tag. You might also see something like this. You can say like, some of people use this stuff. So this version with the slash is also acceptable, but it's not actually a closing tag. It's just something you use. It's not a closing tag. So the meta and image are those void elements you can use throughout your codes. Now let's see attributes. Attributes give an HTML element additional information or change how it behaves. For example, let's say in image. So in image source, you can type whatever image you have. So here, I'm just gonna copy the image and paste it in the source. Here we go, minim added ar.jpg. The general structure looks like this. So you have element, holistic body, attribute, value, and element. So you can think of an attribute as extra information we're giving to an HTML element. We can say this G-Wagon. It's the name of the image, like my biggest crush. We're just open it with Live Server and see the results.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
It is G-Wagon, but we're giving an additional information just in case if somebody looks our code. Let's see HTML comments. Finally, let's talk about comments. Comments allow you to leave notes in your code for yourself or in case other developers see your code. So they look like this. We have this exclamation mark, and you can type whatever you want. So here, what you type inside this is not visible in your web page or whatever. So let's section. Ooh, so if someone looks around, what is this? This is a body section. He or she can understand it. This can make your code easier to understand. So, quick recap. Let's have a mean challenge for you guys. Before you move on, try this yourself. Create a heading, paragraph, an image with a source attribute, a comment explaining your code. Pause the video and try it yourself first. If you got it, great job. You just learned the foundation of HTML. I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore some of the most common HTML elements.
Do you ever get a little bit tired of life? Like you're not really happy, but you don't wanna die. Like you're hanging by a thread.